Welcome to the unboxing of your new electric bike from Velowave, the Velowave Pony. Today, we're going to demonstrate just how simple it is to assemble your bike and prepare for your next adventure. Let's take a look at what's inside. First off, your electric bike. It's been carefully packaged to ensure it arrives safely to your doorstep. Along with your bike, you'll find all the essentials neatly packed: the charger, battery, headlight, pedals, front reflector, spare screws, and a handy set of tools. Speaking of tools, we've included everything you need for assembly. Let's dive into the assembly process. First, securely attach the front tire using the provided tools. Then, mount the headlight to ensure visibility during night rides. Next, fix the fender in place for added protection from mud and debris. Now, adjust the handlebars to your preferred position for optimal comfort and control. Finally, insert the electric battery into its designated place, and you're all set. With each step, you'll find the assembly process to be straightforward and hassle-free. In just a few minutes, your electric bike will be fully assembled and ready for action. And there you have it. Your new electric bike, the Velowave Pony, is assembled and ready for action. Get ready to experience the thrill of the ride like never before.